going on, guys? Car Review Guys here. My name is AJ, and as many of you saw from Life of Paulos, yes indeed, I bought TheStradmans Audi R8, which I'm very excited about. Obviously, as you can see in my garage, it is not here yet, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So let's jump into that update really quick. Alright, so, like I said, you saw it on Life of Paulos, so I officially bought the car last Friday, and it is arranged to go on a truck this upcoming Saturday, and once obviously it gets on the truck, then it takes roughly 3 days because it's in Salt Lake City, Utah, as many of you know, and I live in Bowling Green, Kentucky, so it's going to take roughly 3 days, so I should have it here Tuesday, July 9th. So I'm going to do the filming of receiving the car, coming off the trailer, all that good stuff. At least I hope to be able to do that for you guys. And then I do 100% plan to get the video up the following day at the absolute latest. For many of you that don't know what I have currently, I have a 1991 Z28 Camaro. I have a 2014 2LT Z51 Corvette. It's a 7-speed manual. And then over here to my left is a 2015 2SS 1LE Camaro, and it only has 3,300 miles on it, so it's like new. And then actually right beside you, because obviously I have the tripod there, is the 2018 Kia Stinger GT2 all-wheel drive, which you can see all over my channel. So I own several cars right now there, and then I also, technically right now my daily driver is a 2019 Dodge Ram Laramie, and I will have 2 vehicles that are going to end up leaving in order to get this R8. So once that car arrives, the other 2 will be leaving. But yeah, so that's the update. Many of you wanted the update. Feel free to watch any of my other videos, and I definitely thank you guys for coming and subscribing. Please please continue to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let's get on into this R8 build, because there's going to be a lot to happen to it. Like, first things first, going to do a killer wrap. So without further ado, we're going to end this video, and again, thank you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.